You can also add custom fonts that you can bundle with your theme. And to do this, you need to add another object in the same way that we would add a system font. However, this time, to make use of the CSS @fontFace rule, you need to add the fontFace property to the fontFamilies object, along with the required properties for fontFamily, name and slug. So the fontFace is an array with a nested object that uses several properties, and you'll start by setting the fontFamily property. So in this example, I have a font called SpicyPizza, so I'll add this as the font family, then add fontStyle as normal, then add fontWeight as 400. Then an important parameter to include is the src, which stands for source. And this should point to where the font resides in your themes folder. Now, the general way to reference this is to use file : followed with a // which represents the root directory of your theme. From there, add the full path to your font file. In this example, it's /assets, /fonts, and then specify your custom font file name. And in my case, this is called SpicyPizza.wolf2, and the wolf2 font format is well supported in most browsers. Now, to complete the rest of the font object, you can set the other required properties. For font family, and here we need to wrap quotes and also escape the quotes around the name of the font family reference, just so that we can also add a fallback to include a generic font if something goes wrong. But it shouldn't go wrong if you follow these steps. So now ensure that the font file is placed in the folder within your theme directory. Now, to use this custom font, you simply reference the slug wherever you want to apply it. For instance, if you want to use this font for your headings, you would add it to the style section under elements, then heading, and then typography. You again need to set the font family property followed by the variable reference in the standard WordPress format, which is var wp preset font family SpicyPizza. Now go to the editor and refresh the page, and the headings should now display the new font. Now, this is a basic manual method for adding custom fonts to your theme, allowing you to seamlessly integrate custom typography. Now, this setup ensures that WordPress will correctly pick up your custom font that you've bundled with your theme in your assets folder. So if you found this helpful, you can show your appreciation by hitting the like button, and feel free to subscribe for more quick tips like this.